2023 Sec 1G3 WA3. In the first question, we are given that y is 130% of x. That is, y equals 130 over 100 x. And what we are supposed to do is to find the value of x over 4y. So x over 4y will be equals to x divided by 4y, which is 4 times 130 over 100 x. So that is x divided by 4 times 1.3x. Which gives us 5 over 26. X is cancelled off. In the second question, Anne works in a sales department and her salary, there is a basic pay of 1260 and followed by 5% on the sales that she made. In December, her commission increased by 1.5. That means it becomes 6.5. And her pay in December is 3,586. So her commission will be 3,586 minus away her basic, which gives us 2,326. And this 2,326 is 6.5% of her sale. So if we let x be the total sale in December, then 6.5% of x will be equals to 2,326. And that works out to be x is 35784.62. The next sum is on parallel lines, and what we need to find first is the angle AED, which is here. And in order to find that, we need this angle because this is the transversal. So if we can find this angle, let's call it A, then we can find angle AED. So angle A plus 266 degrees is actually 360 angles at a point. That gives us A degrees is 94 degrees. And now we can find angle AED, which combines with A to give us 180, and this is interior angles. And we have the parallel lines AE parallel to BD. Okay, so angle AED plus 94, A is 94, and angle AED is 86 degrees. Right, the next part we need to find angle CBD. Right, angle CBD is this angle here. Right, so what we need to do now is to split up the angles. So we are splitting up the angle 266 by drawing a parallel line, and we call it B and C. Right, so C is the angle here. So angle C plus 41 degrees is 180. That is interior angles. And parallel lines, we give a name for the parallel lines, call it GH. No, there's a D here, so DH. So we have EF parallel to DH. Okay, that gives us C is 139 degrees. Okay, so next we want to find B. Right, so B is just 266 minus C. And this is 266. C is 139. So 266 minus 139. That gives us 127. Okay, so now we are ready to find angle CBD. Because angle CBD plus B is 180 interior angles again. And this time the parallel line is DH parallel to BC. Okay, so angle CBD plus 127 equals 180, and that gives us angle CBD is 53 degrees. The next question is on construction. We are to construct a quadrilateral ABCD, so we always draw a rough diagram A, B, C, D, and ABC is 70, followed by BC is 33, because this one is a field, so it's quite large, so we have to use a scale. Right, BD is across, so it's 85 meters. All these are meters. So what we do is we say that 1 cm represents 10 meters. So now AD becomes 7 cm and so on. Right, so now we are ready to construct. We begin our construction by drawing a rough diagram of the result, and next we will start constructing the triangle ABD. The side AD is 70, represented by 7, so we take a measurement of 7 from the ruler and put it at the point A. So we'll draw an arc of 7. Next, we want to draw the side BD, which is 8.5 to represent 85. So we take a measurement of 8.5, place at B, and draw the arc. So the arc 8.5 will cut the arc at 7 to give us the point D. Next, we will measure the angle, that is 70 degrees. Place the protractor at B, center at B, and draw a 70 degrees. So the angle here is 70. Next, I want the side BC to be 33. So again, I take my compass and mark a side of 3.3 to represent 33. It's 3.3. Bring it over to B and draw an arc of 3.3. So now I can connect all my points to give us the result. So here the point is AD, and from here to this point C. And the angle is 70 degrees. That is up to here. Yes. So this is the final result. Thank you. So now we go on to question 5, and we have two regular pentagons. We have to first find AEB. Because it's a regular figure, so we have an isosceles triangle here. Let us call these two angles A, so that we have a two similar angle of A plus the interior angle is 108. How do we get 108? We can first find the total angle, which is 180 times 5 minus 360. This will give us the total interior angle divided by 5. So that will give us an interior angle of 108. So now 2A plus the interior angle is equal to 180, and this is angle sum of triangle. Right, that gives us A is 36, and therefore angle AEB is 36. Now we have to explain why BEF, whether BEF is a straight line. Now in order to do that, we need to show that the two angles here, let's call this B and C, will add up to 180 degrees. So let us find B first. Now A plus B is 108. Right? Angle A plus B is equal to the interior angle 108, and A is 36 plus B is 108 degrees. That gives us B is 108 minus 36, that is 72 degrees. And next we have to find C, and C is just the interior angle for the pentagon. The pentagon, the interior angle, as we know from the first part, interior angle of pentagon is 108. So if we take B plus the interior angle, we have 72 plus 108, and that gives us 180. Therefore, BF is a straight line. Now we have to calculate the obtuse angle CDH. And CDH is this angle here. So what we can see is that this angle is actually made up of two exterior angle. Right? If we extend it out, it's made out of two exterior angle of the pentagon. So we already know, just now we found the exterior angle of the pentagon goes to 360 divided by 5, 72 degrees. Therefore, angle CDH is actually 2 times of that, which gives us 144 degrees. Now, in the last part, we have to explain if the angle CDH is the interior angle of another regular polygon. Now, so what we need to show is, first, we look at the exterior angle of this polygon. What we are looking at is this polygon. Right? So this polygon, the exterior angle, we know the interior angle, which is CDH. So the exterior angle is the CDH, 180 minus CDH, right, which is 36 degrees. And now we can find the number of sides. Number of sides using the exterior angle is 360 divided by 36, which is 10. And this is a positive integer. Therefore, CDH is an interior angle. Angle CDH is an interior angle of a regular polygon. Right, the last sum is on straight lines, which is not tested, but I will still give the answer. We first have to find the gradient of the line. The gradient of the line is the coefficient of x, which in this case is 1, right? The gradient is the coefficient of x, which is 1. So the gradient equals 1. Gradient is a slope. Now we have to find the coordinates of A. Coordinates of A, that is two numbers. The x value is 4 because this line here cuts the x-axis at 4, so the x value is 4. So now to find the y value, we need to substitute into the equation, right? So when at A, x is 4, therefore y is 3 plus 4, which is 7. Therefore, the A coordinate is 4, 7. And for B is cutting at the line where x is 0, right? This is the line where x is 0, the y-axis, x is 0. So at B, x is 0. So once again, we take the equation, put in the x value. So it's 3 plus 0, and y is 3. Therefore, coordinates of B is 0, 3. And this completes the discussion of the 2023 1G3 WA3. Thank you.